Hello, I am Pranay Das from the Initiator. This is our website of our project name as National Health System Resource Center. We have used different languages in our website like PHP, JavaScript, CSS, HTML, and for our database we have used MySQL. Now this is our header bar with various buttons like Home, Health Awareness, Pages, Blogs and News, and Contact Us. Now on clicking the home button, hospital can register themselves on our website by clicking on create account. On opening the create account, the registration form will open, and in that form the hospital has to register themselves. So now they will enter there. Now it will enter password. Now hospital name. And in this if the hospital is not registered with the government, like if anywhere any is fraud hospital is there, if any in the and it not registered with the government, so they will not register on our website. So for that it will also check that if the it is if the hospital is registered with the government or not. Now after all that we have to fill the details, we have to click submit button, and then they will say that you are registered. Now you are registered. Now at the top of the page there is a search bar which allows any user to search any registered hospital or city or any state or any type of hospital. So they can type in that, and whenever they will enter it, so they will name as like a different hospital name and in which city they are available in a state. Like our first is ASD, like hospital underscore 2, which is located in city Surat, and the state is Gujarat, and the type of the hospital means which are they giving is osteopathy and allopathy. Now in now on the our home page, patient can check whether they are registered under NHSRC or not. So by entering the UID, the user or the patient can check whether they are registered on our website or not. By clicking search, it will show that you are registered. And if we search another one, like you are not registered, patient is not registered. Now on our home page there is one button that is health awareness. It includes various health related articles and the way of precaution like dengue, malaria and cancer. And there are then the other is pages. On under pages button it lies about us, that includes details of our project developer, and in services button the service of the login hospital is displayed. And FAQ is where we can solve the doubts of user related to our websites. Like there are different questions in FAQ, the user if the user is not able to understand our website for them. Now in the home page there is one button that is login. Now in login we have the hospital. You have to enter the hospital username which you have entered first, and then the password. Now I will enter my username which I have registered and password. Now I have to sign in. Now under hospital hospital can register the different patient like new registration. So there is a form which is opened in which the patient is registered, and this is only by the hospital. It is not like patient will not register themselves on NHSRC. Only hospital can register patients, different patients. Now the first field is UID, that is unique ID or Aadhaar number we can say. now name, now address of that patient, the state in which he is living, city, and then gender, and then email, and then contact number. Now we have to submit the details. Now as you can see that UID is already registered, so if once the patient is registered, so he cannot register again. Now under the patient was registered, so we can now in a home button there is one search bar in which we can search the patient is registered or not in login. Now you can see that it is showing that patient is registered. Now if the hospital now after that there is one link with that is patient history, so it will show that the same patient where he has gone the hospital and which treatment he has done in different hospital. Like you can see that the UID number is 12322 12323 and name is SDAAS, the gender is male, and then their hospital name, the doctor name, then the checkup date was there, and the problem which he was facing, and the reports and the prescription by the doctor, which is medicine. Now he is in the new city, so he will go in new hospital. In that hospital will click on the treatment button, and then there will be one form open which is called the patient treatment form. Now in that treatment form, here the hospital will enter the UID of that patient, then it will enter the hospital name, the hospital will enter their name. Now the doctor name, now the date of checkup, on which date he's gone in that hospital. Now the problem which the patient was suffering from. Now the different tests are there which hospital has been given to the patient, and the reports like it is positive or negative, like there was various symptom or that, and then the prescription in which the medicine which is prescribed by the doctor to that patient. And now we have to submit it. Now after submitting, it will show records added successfully. So by checking we can check that the patient treatment has been registered. Now we can search, and that patient history we can get. Now you can see that the same another hospital was there, and the same UID, same name. Another hospital, the doctor was different, the checkup date was different, the problem and the reports and prescription. So by this the hospital can see the previous details of that patient. Now in our another tab there is blogs and news. It includes the latest news issues of the medical field. Now after that there is a new tab called contact us. Via contact us, the user can contact the developer of the website if they are facing any query for the site. So the hospital or user can contact us with this contact us form by entering their name and the state in which they are living, city, their contact number, their email, and comments like which thing they didn't like on our website, or which is not the user want to say, I expect some more information from your website. So we will contact him and we will ask that what other information he want to get from our website. So if it's possible, we will share that info also. Now after submitting that, we can say that thank you for your feedback. Now the hospital can sign out too. There is a sign out button, and there is one more page in the section of page. There is about us. In about us, there is the details of the developer which were developed. The website was developed by whom, and the name and state, city, and the group name is initiator, and the about us and contact us page can be for can be fetched from any, if it is a hospital or the general user. Thank you.